Hello and welcome everybody to this session. In this one, I will explain about like how I combine smart money concept along with supply demand concept to tech and risk. So basically on supply demand concept, we have drop base drop. So we tech sells from this supply zone, rally base drop thing, drop base rally thing. Okay, rally base rally thing. So we look for buys here, we look for buys here, we look for sells here. Like market has to come again, then sells, then market need to come again, then sells, then market need to come again here around this space. Then we look for buys, then market look to come again here, then we look for buys. So these are four things called as RBR, rally based rally. Okay, DBD, drop based drop, rally based drop, RBD, drop based rally. Okay, so these are continuation and reversal pattern. So what exactly I do, I combine all those things with SMC. So you see on 4 hour time frame, what we had formation of lower high, lower high, okay, and lower low. So you see this lower high has been taken out by this high, and this just became an inducement. So I selected this last higher high as a point of interest, and all these minor structure are just internal range liquidity, and you see these are the internal complex range structure. So I'm expecting price to come again here and take out all those liquidity, internal liquidity area, and give a nice drop from here only. So this is what I do for mostly. Then on lower time frame, what we had, let's just go on 1 hour time frame. So you see market was making a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, then this lower low. So after making this lower low, we had a minor PMS towards the downside. So as you all know, combining supply demand concept, we look for sells from rally, base, drop. Okay, or rally, base, drop, and we might have some sort of hidden base just above the base area. So this will be a hidden base. So this base just became a manipulation area. Sorry for that. This base just become a manipulation area. So we look for cells around this hidden base. Okay, only after confirmation. So we look for cells around this hidden base and wait for price to come here, mitigate this hidden base and then drop. So this is exactly what I do, how I combine the SMC with SND. So what we had here, we had this formation of higher high, lower low. So after giving a breaking market structure towards the downside, so you see we have formation of drop, base, drop formation. Okay, so just above, like I just told you, drop, base, drop, and we might find some sort of hidden base around here. Okay, so drop, this is just a base area as I shown here. Just above the hidden base area, we have a hidden base here. Okay, so we look for cells from here. So exactly what we had here, hidden base just above the base area. Okay, so what we exactly do, prices came again inside the 50% above the 50% of premium range. Okay, you see the above the 50%, something like 70% area, and mitigated this hidden base. Okay, so what I did exactly, I have refined it to 45-minute time frame, and I was watching eyes to come and mitigate this hidden base, then give a nice, you see, as a making higher high, higher low. higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and lower low. So you see, these are just the accumulation towards the upside just to mitigate this hidden base. So after breaking this uh, higher low, this higher low, this higher low, we had a minor BMS towards the downside again on 15-minute, on 40-minute time frame. So after mitigating this minor BMS, breaking this minor BMS, I selected this zone as my point of interest. So you see, price again came here, mitigated this last doji candle, then gone down towards the very side. Then I again gone for 50-minute for another confirmation. So you see what I exactly did here. I would have sold from here only, but if just I don't want to miss the entry here, so I just reduce my limit order in here. Okay, so this was the candle which has mitigated this doji candle, and as you can see here, we also had some sort of fair value gap from this week to this week low. Let me show you properly. This week low to this week high, this week high to this week low. So we had a just small fair value gap in here. So price just came again inside and mitigated this fair value gap here. Same thing here. We had this fair value gap in here from this candle wick low to this candle wick high. So this was the candle which is responsible for mitigating this last candle. Okay, so that is why I selected this candle as a point of interest, and I just sold from this candle. So this just gave me around 1:30 risk to reward ratio cells. But still, I'm looking for market to come again here at this last high, so I can look for cells here. Okay, okay. So many people will say this as a H4 order block. So yeah, that will be. But that is how I combine the SMC with SND. I can use these ignored accumulation. You might find this ignored accumulation thing on supply demand concept. Okay, or you might find this hidden waste thing on supply demand concept, and this will can also be a UML setup like higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. So we look for cells around here. Okay, and stop loss just below the maximum pain line MPL. So that is how I select. Uh, I combine SMC with SND. So as you can see here again, this is the last low which has taken out this low. So this is what we call liquidity grab, right? So market just came inside and taken out this liquidity. Okay, and this will be a last week low as well. No, this will not be last week low, but yeah. So I am waiting for market to come here, take out this unsupported low, and buys from something around here, possibly if this gives us a good intent. So that is for this supply demand and smart money concept combination. So I hope you understand something from this video. So don't forget to ask question in comment section if you have any. So thanks for watching again. Have a good day.